Alright, we're back. Finishing cutting up this case here, so I'm blow this up a little bit so you can see it better. I'm going to rush through this here a little bit. So we're got a partial cut going. Let's finish it up. Deep enough. Okay. I'm going to move it 150 over. Plus and minus each way to go in both directions. So 150. Like that. Touch for some reason. There's our touch. Okay, again. Good enough. Alright, now we're going to move 150 this other direction. We do two cuts with one dimension, basically. There's our 150 right there. Okay. Just repeat it. We got 150 to our number, so we're going to 300 now. Moving over to 300 offset from center. Getting right there. Back off until it clears. A couple towel extra just to make sure. Cut it. So you see how we're cutting away on the metal right in here. Crank it down to a hand crank here. It's like a drill press. Good, now move it over 150, we're at 300 this way. We go plus 300 now. That's enough. Put it down, it's already set. Listen for any kind of contact. Put it away. Makes quick work of doing it. Okay, now we go to 300, we're going to go to 450. Or 50. Kick her up in neutral. Go down and rotate until it touches. It touches right there. I have to back off this other dimension here until it clears. Okay. Close your towel. And it repeats. this way. Okay. 600. Let me do it again. The next number. Way quicker and more accurate than doing it by hand. Just keep knocking these numbers out of here. Metal out. Crank the other one over 750 the other way. Yeah, close enough. Basically, that's the last time that needs to be done right there, but we got a couple more here, so we can do one more this other way. Okay, we're at 750, so we can go to 900 now. Now, the finer you do this, the more accurate you are, and the coarser it is, the more rough it is. See, this is a lot coarser here. These are quite a bit more stuff apart than what these are, see? These are probably 250 apart. These are only 150 apart. Barely even touch here. Yeah, 100 this way. Okay. 50. One more, I guess. That doesn't really need to be, but we'll do one more. That'd be 1,200. Barely even did it. Nice cut out pretty good. So now it's just a matter of do some die grinding and knock that down below the surface. We got to cut this down below the surface of this one, and then the cylinder will drop right down like you're supposed to. Also come in here, radius this inside edge in here a little bit too, eliminate sharp edges. Alright, so these two are all knocked out. Now I can go in there and do a better job on this if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. I'll do it by hand. Okay, so the last stuff to do right now is I go grind all this metal out here, and then I got to cut this deeper here, so I'll probably do this next. So, get this out of here and take these all apart, and we'll be back.